Alright, hello everyone. It is now time for basement fire alarm test 40. We finally hit that nice round number 40. So for today I do have some devices I think a lot of you will like. So let's go ahead and take a look at them. For the pull station we have this Simplex 4251-20 under the stopper cover. The horn is not on this just because I find the sounder in it to be very annoying. But that is our pull station for today. We will obviously be pulling that. And our notification appliance for today is this Simplex 2901-9833 on a 2903-9101 strobe plate. The horn and the strobe are wired together for this, so the strobe will be coded. However, it is on March time, so the strobe will flash pretty much normally. So for you fans of these 2903s in March time, you are in luck today. Alright, so let's go ahead and pull the fire alarm. Here we go. As you can see, there isn't any audible silence today, and you probably weren't able to see that strobe too well. So yeah, I recorded it for longer, so hopefully you saw some strobe action. So alright, let's go ahead and reset our pull station. Alright, we'll go ahead and lift up the cover and take our Simplex B key, turn it and open. And there goes the horn strobe again. Alright, so as I was saying, you open the pull station and obviously it pops down like that. And apparently with these older ones, as soon as you open the station, the switch contact closes again. So panel went off again, but as I was saying, close it and put it back, and you're reset. Just like that. We'll go ahead and reset real quick. And that is the end of today's video. As always, thank you for watching. Be sure to check out my Groupme and eBay, and be sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Thank you, and have a great day.